Alright guys, back in here at the mill, trying to catch up on some timber. I got a lot of logs here to saw, a lot of logs, it's not even a word, a lot of log. Friends, we are back at the sawmill working on this pine. We started this pine in the last video and it's turning out pretty good actually. I was really wondering about these knot clusters, how bad they would be, and they're not too bad actually. Once we get down to the juvenile wood they may get a little bit worse, but right now on these outer cuts it's really some nice stuff actually. This is a lot better than I thought it would be. We'll finish this one up at 5/4 and I think it's about 12 inches on the width. We're going to put it with that hemlock we've been sawing. Next up after this one we got a really nasty white pine. I'm not sure what to do with it. Probably 2x4s. I may cut the end of it off. It looks pretty bad on the end. It swells out. It's kind of nasty right there. Behind that one we got another hemlock, and by the time we get to that one, see it's 1 o'clock, I'll probably have a load of timber coming in by then, which is good because I got some more hemlock coming to finish out that stack. And some white pine and probably another tree species that I bet most of you people have never even heard of. That will be here just a little bit. Crank up the mill and go through this one pretty fast. I'm still running that 4-degree blade on the sawmill. Gosh, it's nice. I can't say enough good things about it. I was talking to my buddy Tim this morning about that blade. I may retro all my blades to 4 degree here in the future. It's just a really nice blade. I can go through these knots at a pretty good velocity and not have to worry about that blade taking a dive on me. It's really nice. Let's get going, guys. By the time we finish up these 3 logs, Greg should be here with that timber. And one more thing, I appreciate everybody watching this channel. Thanks to everybody on Patreon for your support and everybody for subscribing. We hit 90,000 the other day, and we're one step closer to 100,000, friends. Hopefully we'll be there by Christmas. That's my goal. I would be tickled to death if we can hit 100,000 by Christmas. So if you got Facebook accounts or stuff like that, do me a favor and share my channel. It might help me out just a little so we can get there by Christmas. Really hope we get there by then. So let's get going here, friends. We're burning daylight. All right now, friends, a pretty good haul right there. Got some red maple right here on top, got some white pine behind it. Over here is another hemlock. I was glad to get that one in. And right here, friends, we'll call this one the mystery tree. This is the top out of it right here, but here's the main log. Leave me a comment below, people, if y'all think you know what this is. In the next video, I'll kind of do a little reveal, I guess, and talk about it. But that right there, it's a hardwood, but it's actually pretty soft. It's a pretty unique tree right there. I asked about 10 sawyers about it on the forum, and only 2 of them had ever heard of it. So leave your best guess in the comments below. Like I said, we'll do a reveal in the next video and try to get this on the sawmill by the first of the week. First of next week, actually. It's already Wednesday. So first of next week, we'll get it on the mill. One more up close there.